The water basin bowl needs to be properly aligned and then fitted to the pedestal and twisted and locked into place. The included pump accessory should be installed through this cord pipe in the basin bowl, down through the pedestal, and fit into the groove at the bottom of the pedestal. The light cords should be unfurled from inside the top feature. They also will go through the cord pipe, down through the pedestal, and into the groove at the bottom of the pedestal. The installation of this cord pipe cap is a critical step to prevent any leaking from the basin. The pump can then be connected to the pre-installed tubing inside the feature. Be sure the pump dial is adjusted to full strength. Align the feature piece with the groove in the basin. The included bird accessories can be installed in these locations and can be sequenced and positioned to your liking. The light cord should be connected securely to the low voltage power supply, and the included shims will help you level your fountain. Be sure to properly fill the water basin at least 3/4 full.